This is my Enhancement 3 video. I will be testing my links to my account from every page. So this is from the home page, going to the login page, from the login page to the login page, and then going to the registration page, and here's my registration page, and there's the link back to the login. And we go back to the home page, and here is my validation for the HTML. And there are 0 errors. And for CSS, 0 errors. And I'm going to go into the My Account page or login page. Validation for that page, 0 errors, and the CSS, 0 errors, and lastly the registration page, and there's that. I didn't show that earlier, and there's the HTML validation, 0 errors, and lastly the CSS for the registration page, 0 errors. And that is my Enhancement 3 video.